Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset Realme phone with power button. To reset Realme phone with power button, firstly we have to enter power menu. To do it, press and hold power button and volume up button. Now select restart and it's done. If you want to reset the whole phone, we have to enter recovery mode. To do it, press restart and now press and hold power button and volume down button until you see Android logo. Release the buttons and now select language and then factory reset. Remember that during this procedure you will lose all data on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.